Hi everyone, so today we'll try something very magical, which is called MagicPath AI. It's exactly like Bolt, B0 in terms of creating a website, okay? But the whole interface like Figma. After login, this is the basically homepage, and you just need to double click on that. And now if I zoom out, zoom in or zoom out, then you can see all this, okay? And how can I will just minimize this, okay? So let me just create a component. So you can create multiple component. If I create, like, click over there, it will generate another one, okay? And this is the another one. So and now you can ask anything to create. Let's ask create in React 3 fiber hero section with background pattern, and it's creating. And now you can drag it, and then now you can again create another component, okay? So let's create, and there's another thing. You can select the design system you want, okay? There's lots of design system. I will just click the cloud one. I like cloud design system. Create a landing page exactly like cloud AI. Let's see. And now what you can do, why I say it's feel like Figma, if you just click on that, did you see, you can literally change the text you want. So suppose I want this text feature, okay, did you see? And if I just change it also, hi, how are you? And you can change the text, button text and everything. So this is how this is how it's work, okay? It has a inbuilt editor, and I don't really know how it's handle every changes. It's totally unique, okay? You don't need to prompt to change any text. You can change it like easily without prompting, okay? So it save lots of your time. How this is really work, okay? So let me just inspect again. And did you see I have three component left. So if I click on that, so in free trial you have 5 component credits per day, so up to 3 per month, okay? Max 1 project. But when you purchase the pro one, pro tier, then you can like create 20 plus component, 20 component credits per month and unlimited projects. And you can copy the entire code, you can download the code base and also open it in cursor. So let me check how is it working. Okay, so this is the iframe. So they're using iframe to get the preview like B0 and bold, but the way they are using it is different. And the iframe is basically the API endpoint. So I think they are using the JSON file, like how we import, how we add the component in 21st day using setc and JSON. Okay, so maybe they are using that. And then they like how the inbuilt editor work is like whenever we change anything, is change first locally, and after that it also hit the API endpoint and then change it in the backend as well. So I think that's how it works. Maybe I'm right, maybe I'm wrong. So if you guys know it, please comment it down. The overall structure of everything is cool. How can I drag it? Oh, okay. So this is also done. It's really exactly look like Cloud AI, the theme and everything. I know the design is not a match with Cloud AI, but yeah, it's pretty solid. And I think this cool, you can generate the component. It's not just create component, you just create a landing page. So the more you prompt, I'm just like exploring for the first time with you guys, okay? So I don't know how it's really work, but my prompt was just one line. So if you give a proper prompt, then it will give a proper result, okay, based on your prompt. So yeah, I think for the first try is okay for me. And you can purchase the pro version to get the code and all. I hope you guys enjoy the video, and I will recommend it to use it if you are good at prompting, okay? Because it's not like just to get always a static site, static landing page, because it has the design system at all, so you can play with it and get a solid result. Let me know in the comment if you use it, how it's going, what you create. And there's another announcement that I want to do is I am right now working on blocks. Blocks means the section of our website. So, and as UI layers is open source, and if you are creating component section, so yeah, if you are interested, you are invited, and just DM me, or just create a peer, whatever you want to contribute. See you in the next video. Bye bye.